this bag is come and what is inside the bag? So I don't know what is inside the bag. Why I saying gifts? Because I get so many gifts. Okay. So tell me what is inside of your gift. Chips? No. Dinosaur? No. Let's check it. What is? Okay. So let's open. Okay. Wow! A big Captain America! Wow! And let's open. Oops. Okay. Okay, and this is and this is the shield of the Captain America. So please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Power off. Now thank you friends for my video.